3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. With music. 8 more. 1. High heel. Don't push the chair too much. Heavy. Try to be strong. Use your leg. Okay, other side. Go. 16. Almost done. Go. Yes. 8 more. And finish. Step back. Stretch. Hold there. Stretch. Don't move. And chin like other side. Stretch your heel. Push down your heel. Stay there. Don't move. Hold. Okay. We continue. Ready? One more time from beginning. Up. 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 8 more. 1, 2. Yes. Be strong. Keep your toes together. Open your toes. The first position. 16. Up. 8 more. High heel. Heel higher. Your calf muscle will lift up more. Go up. One leg. Go. One leg. Good. Beautiful. Last one. Other side. Go. 16. High heel. 8 more. Finish. Step back, stretch. Stretch heel, stay there. Okay. And up, stretch, step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish. Thank you. Okay, right now, put your arm on the bar. We stretch shoulder a little. Push down. Okay, very simple. Just push down. Uh-oh. Okay, so just stay like that. Okay, just let it go. Okay, let's do 16 counts for that for right now. Hold on a second. Ready? Push it down, okay? Now count 16. 1. Let's go. Close your arm. Close your arm. Make harder. Don't open like that. Close. Yes, that's harder. Yes, stay. And relax. Stand up. Relax. Okay, we will do one more time. This time we do like this. And pull your arm, make sure, okay, same width with your shoulder, don't open like that, okay? So, you stay on, and then this time, use your hand, go over the bar, okay? Yes, push in, hey, stay there, give a little push, okay, a little harder. Stay, 8 more counts. Good. Okay, girls, finish it up. Yes. Just relax. Relax a little. Don't get hurt. Yes, relax. Just relax. Whatever you want. Relax. make sure protect your heel. Okay, we jump 16 times. And jump 16 times. Jump 16 times. Open, close 8 times. On non-stop. Ready, everybody? Okay, from first position jump. Hold down. Find the music. Not yet. Okay, ready? Up, 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 up. Yes. Good. 8 more. 1. Good. Second. Very good. Continue. 8 more. Beautiful. Right now, fifth. Go. It's 69. Good. Yes. Last one, okay? Get ready. Right now, open, close, open, close. Continue. 4 more times. Open, close, open, close. 2 more. And finish. Woo. Just give a little relax. We have to do 1 more time from beginning. Ready, girls? Go. 1 more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second. 1. Jump. Just the other second. Hang in. Hang in. Second position jump. 69. Yes. Ready? Fifth position. Go. Fifth. Jump. Go, 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 go. Don't give up. Go. Go. Almost. Almost. Don't give up. This is marathon. Go on. Last one. Open. Close. Open. Close. 4 more. 2 more. Almost. Almost. Oh, you all finished. Oh, okay, okay, okay. This is tiring, okay? So relax a little, relax a little. Ooh. Yes, I think you should do what's that called? 跳绳. Okay, that is very good for that. Okay, relax, relax, relax. Okay, girls, we do 1 more. We do a kick. Okay, watch me. We kick, okay? So from a fixed position, you kick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. But this time, don't touch the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 times. You play 5, 6. Get your break. 7, 8. To the side. A regular kick 4 times. And then you will kick faster. Give you easy fast. Don't touch the floor. Kick 4 times. You fifth position play from back. Okay? Get ready, girls. Kick out all your fat on the body. Okay? You don't need that fat. Kick them out. Okay, ready? Everybody, fifth position. Hold on. Let me find the music.